Hello, this is a data mining tool and methods for improving business processing model. This project is related to a data mining where the data is in real time data set like of for processing business model, which can be of different type or from different resources. So we are here to drive. There are different stages of data mining technique to complete the process of data mining and the organization gain its full benefit. So we can have classification, clusterization, and other things, and pre-processing of the data to make the data unstructured data into a structure and making a business model or making a business benefits over from them. So now I will going for the running of my code. So we have two things. One is a web application and second one is a desktop application. So first we will go with the desktop application. This is one run and it will run our desktop application. So here we need, this is a user interface, or where the user can search for the which city they want to go and what amount they have to spend in their hand, or which means how much amount they have to spend for that vacation or travel and tourism. So I will go for just like Pune, and I will go for one 10,000 rupees. So whatever the value is saved in our database with respect to the data, it will go and search with the best things for the for that place, and in budget. So result less than 1,000 rupees, and some of the result will be go above that one, but these are the things which will show hotel, food, tour, and transportation. This tour is nothing but a temple name, and having a charge of 200 just for, I can say, for auto stand and puja and all. Apart from that, the transportation like auto, bus, and plane can be go from Viman Nagar to Pune, from anywhere else in the country, as well as auto can be taken from Wakad to, if you are in Wakad or in Sangamwadi, you can take a bus to Pune as well. So these are the things which will be giving a advanced travel and tourism intelligence system from our search one. So we can go back and we can search other places as well, just like Nagpur, and we can have a 20,000 rupees, and I will search this one. So it will give the values with respect to the Nagpur. Now coming back into the back end process, that is how this data can be added. So I will go and create open new one browser, and I will go with admin. So admin is a person who added our values with respect to the category we have. So we are login as EW Sagar, and we have a menus like to transport, hotel, food, transaction. So we can have this all. So if we want to add more on a tour, so we can have that, just like add information. I will go for temple like Siddhi Vinayak Vinayak Ganesh temple. The city is nothing but Mumbai. Okay, and charges is nothing but, if we are from Dadar to, it will take 200, and address is Dadar station nearby. So I will save it, so it will save like this one. So in this way we can create more data. This is what a real-time data set, and with the help of our the previous one things, we can have the we can have our front end for the user perspective. I will go for this one. Yeah, for here I will go back and I will search here now Mumbai, because we have added some values for Mumbai. Okay, so I will go for 2000 rupees, 1000 rupees. So it will give the values, which is nothing but Siddhivinayak temple, and you must increase the amount, and you can increase the amount for the search for other facilities like transport, food, hotel, like that and that data should be there inside the database. Then only it will comes with the intelligence process. So this is all about your front end, or we can say a web application for real time dataset creation. Now coming back into the data mining process, so here also the searching algorithm is depend on the classification and clusterization of the data, which is nothing but a data mining. And this data having a different facilities like transport, transaction, tour. So this is nothing but a different resources, we can say. Now coming into the code again, and now we will run our desktop application. So desktop application having a mining tool, which is contain the algorithm of k-means, clustering algorithm for classification algorithm, classification of data. So this is a UI for data mining of our two-track advanced travel and tourism intelligence system, where we have a menu. We can have airline dataset. This is the dataset which is already present, or we can take from internet, and it is nothing but a airline data of all over the world, which is nothing which having a more than 10,000 rows and columns of data. And this is a real-time data which we have created right now. So first we will go with our real-time dataset. So this is advanced to travel and tourism system. I will search it, so it will select a file. This data coming from our database, whatever the database we have saved, that data come from here. Okay, now we will go for pre-processing. We will clean is nothing but whatever the unnecessary data or incomplete data can be removed from our database or from our processing. Then we will go for clustering. Overall analysis come on the data set. There are 28 or whatever the number of record. If you hover your cursor on that graph, it will create a it will give a count of that. Then city, then type, then category. So we have everything here. We have a different city. Now we can see the city list from here also. See, there is Nagpur, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune. There is a type which we are giving almost 15, and category. So in this way the classification and clustering of a data will be happen, and this make more advantageous to your tour and travel in system. Now coming back into the our airline data, which is already present in our present and we taken for the processing. So here we read a file which is a dataset file of airport data. So this is airport data which having longitude, longitude values, and airport names and country names and all. So we will go with processing. I will clean it. So according to that, airport name is there, then we have a city, then we have a country, then we have name, that is short form name of that country, and then other things. So we will go for classification. We have classified our data set with respect to our country, time zone, and continent list. We can have other parameter also, but that need to be inserted from a code, and we need to go for that analysis as well. So data mining is nothing but whatever the data you have, the input value you have, that according to that output will be created. So this is overall analysis, where almost 10,000 records are there, and it is after pre-processing almost 8,000 records are there. These are the country, continent, this one. So you can have a country list separately. These are all the country list. We have India as well, we have a time zone, we have continent. So these are all the classification done. Now we are going with the clustering. So clustering is nothing but a selection of your of a data on the terms of your classification done. So I will use a country list. So country list like Kazakhstan or Bahamas, I will use Kazakhstan, or Mali. So how many airport are there, which are means how it is looking like. So that will be shown in our Namibia. So I will go for analysis. So it will give me analysis on map and as well as graph. So this map will contain all the airports which is in different country we have chosen. Okay, as well as we have a graph for that one. So Bahamas having a most number of airports, Kazakhstan having a less number. So here we can add more number of airport with respect to that, means our that country or airport tourism or airport company will get this data and search for where they need to create more airports, or where the tourism is going further, so they can ask for more infrastructure there. So in this way you can have your advanced travel and tourism intelligence system. Thank you.